I've been part of Open House St. Patrick's since the beginning it started. We decided with a group of friends to start cooking and be able to help to give some meals here to some people living in the street.
It's really being open to people who normally wouldn't find a nice, warm reception anywhere else. That's the whole idea. Open House is not only about food, Open House is also about warmth and contact and having a conversation with them, making them feel as real guests and making them have a real meal sitting down.
For them, I think just to be able to sit in a dry place and see smiley people, it's a plus.
Yeah, to be looked after a bit, no? And especially if you then realize that all the people around, all the volunteers, they really care.
You know, they will find, you know, a big room with table set with cutlery and a plate, glass. They will be served tea, coffee. That's what you do when you receive guests. That's what we want them to feel.
They need that sort of contact and that touch of humanity. I think that's what it is.
Many guests have been coming over the years. That means you know them by name, you know how they are doing. They call you by your name. They might ask you how your family is because, you know, you've got a little bit more of this friendship and contact.
There's all the spiritual aspect to it as well, you know, and knowing they are in God's house and God's hand, which is quite important for them. You know, it's a feeling that there is a support up there. Yes, here on earth, but there's also a support up there.